Mag-flower picking daw kami kung saan.
Hi, we got any flowers in here. We have a yellow one, and a white one, and a purple one.
Oh, hi ka, Paris.
Oh my god! There. Where's that tiny fluffy thing?
Toby!
Okay, we're done. I'm done with this, and let's go to that. And let's go inside.
Spider na niya yung lalabas niya, mama.
Is it? I want some. You get the pink one there.
Favorite mo yan, ah.
Yes. I think you get this pink one. That one? Yeah.
Wala kang container, Paris.
Hindi lang yan. Lagay natin dito.
Kay ate na lang. Ang daming maliit na ano, parang butterfly.
Yeah. It's a card. It's a card.
Butterfly ba yan? Oo, butterfly yata yan. Maliliit.
Oh, yeah. It's a butterfly. Oh, there's some type.
Flower mo.
No, I don't need that. I don't need that.
Okay na yung flower mo?
I gotta find some more.
Ikaw, Paris.
Oh, this is so cute. You want these? This is cute. All right. Wait, I'll just pick this purple one.
Dito po kami sa Don Bosco.
This is your Donbas? Yeah. Yeah.
Dito sila kukuha ng mga wildflower. Ang dami niyan, oh.